Hello and welcome WBP stars. I'm gonna show you my restaurant. We're now in Belgium, in a small village in Tienen. So this is my restaurant. It's a relative small restaurant, which we like to work with a lot of wood, some dark colors, to have a cozy atmosphere in the restaurant. So I'm gonna show you around. We also have a bar where you have some 10 seats on the bar, so you can do a combination with some tables and the bar. This is our special table. It's a table for 6. It's a table in marble, so like you see, we do a lot of things with the decoration. Now it's Christmas time, so we add a little Christmas punch to the decoration and the interior. This is our kitchen. It's not so big, but it's enough. So these are the guys of the kitchen. Jones, De La Rosa. We have an open kitchen, so we have some seats in front of the kitchen for some special customers. So maybe you can join us for a dinner in our restaurant and sit on the lovely table in front of the kitchen. See you soon, bye.